More than 300 participants, volunteer consultants, photographers, organizers, and designers, 12 public discussions of books, a search for 31 locations, over 200 costumes and stage props, and 97 hours of shooting. The mom in the book brought reading lovers together and made them look at classic works in a new way. The project began in March 2020, with shooting started in September. The roles of characters from the works were performed by professional artists as well as citizens, children and adults who had no experience. The youngest participant was only 6 months old and the oldest was 65. The shooting took place in theaters, libraries, photo studios, museums. Some of the scenes were held outdoors. At the stage of Yakut literature, one of the most ambitious was the shooting of the work Tigandar Khan. The historical novel by the national writer is the first work in Yakut literature that addresses the time and deeds of Tigun, the personality whose name is associated with one of the turning points in the history of the Sakha people. His image is recreated against the background of a wide scene of the Sakha people life before the Russians came. Nirbachan, who by the will of fate became the stepmother of Tigun, escapes from Tuimada with her sons and servants towards Glukhoy Vilui. The moment of farewell, when Nirbachan leaves her native Tuimada, was chosen for the shooting. Nirbachan protects her sons from the breath of war. The writer personifies peace in her mother, and contrasts her image to the war. Nirbachan is to become the mother of a large family, the founder of several districts of Yakutia. This was the most challenging part of the shooting, which took place in the area of Uskhatin with participation of Yakutian horses. Several shots were joined into one to get the final picture.
Подбор костюмов был довольно трудным процессом для всех нас, потому что костюмы этой эпохи, 17-18 века, они очень сложные в своем изготовлении, в технологии своего шитья, потому что это были натуральные материалы, кожа, равдуга, мех. И мех такой довольно-таки редкий еще местами, да, и поэтому найти такое, конечно, очень сложно. Было несколько вариантов, вот часть костюмов одолжили нам любезно в Саха-театре, а часть костюмов мы одолжили у мастериц. Вот костюм, который на мне, это реконструкция по археологическим раскопкам, которые проводились в течение 20 века, да, и это из погребений 17-18 века. То есть исторически они приблизительно, не один в один, но приблизительно они были именно такими. В всяком случае, тот, который на мне. Костюм шили мастерицы Хангалского улуса, и, конечно, это очень большой труд и большая благодарность, то, что мастерицы одолжили эти костюмы, потому что я понимаю, что второй раз шить точно такой же костюм, это будет, конечно, проблематично, это очень трудоемко.
The story about the period of the Great Patriotic War, the hardships of mothers who send their sons to the battlefields, are brightly described in the story Old Lady Elena in the Grove of Noral-Jima by Nikolai Luginov. This story reveals the image of the mother who sent 7 sons to the Great Patriotic War. Only 2 of them come back, Nurgun's father, on whose behalf the story is told, and his younger brother Igor. A strong woman, a mother, a grandmother who, hiding in the depths of her soul the unhealed wounds of the loss of her sons, lives with the memories and the expectation of a bright future for her kids and grandchildren who should revive life on their native Noral-Jima land. The idea is the water surface reflects the mother's former life. She is seeing her sons off to war. At the top of the photo, grandmother Elena stands with her grandson awaiting the future. The water surface in this photo has been replaced by a mirror.
Прикольно получилось.
Люди успели познакомиться, встретиться, привести своих детей, окунуть их в этот удивительный мир творчества, когда все переодеваются, строятся декорации, приходят взрослые люди, что-то происходит, такое таинство. Мы все по нему скучаем, потому что хочется в детство, хочется пережить несколько жизней за одну жизнь. И этот проект, он дал такую возможность. Чудесный проект.
Shooting the Russian literature part began in November with 10 images from Russian literature to be brought to life by the end of the year and to show the diversity of characters, destinies, and life orientations. According to critics, the image of the mother is one of the purest and most sincere female images in Russian literature. The mother is the beginning for every human being, and artists have brightly expressed this feeling in their texts, each in his own way, but with a unifying idea that there is no one on earth more important and necessary for all of us.
А слезу можете спустить? Отлично.
Могу.
Проект «Мама в книге», который изначально был призван актуализировать роль матери в книге, по моему мнению, вышел вообще за пределы именно своей изначальной цели. Он в ходе своей, так скажем, реализации работы вышел далеко за рамки и стал таким масштабным, значимым, партнерским, таким, как даже сказать, немножко глобальным проектом. Да? И несмотря на всю ситуацию с пандемией, он легко смог адаптироваться, он оказался таким гибким и таким инновационным. И мне кажется, он достиг вот этой своей основной цели и легко прямо и так очень гармонично смог привлечь внимание к литературе, как нашей якутской, к российской, так и зарубежной.
Finding locations for shooting took the lion's share of time. The places described in the works had to be reflected as realistically as possible. The search for the interior of the early 19th century caused a particular difficulty. An excerpt from War and Peace was filmed in one of the city's furniture showrooms. This passage brings to life the Countess Rostova, the ideal image of a mother and wife, a traditional matron of the Russian nobility, respected in society, a mother of large family whose appearance aroused the respect of others. Surviving all the misfortunes that befell her, she continued to take care of her children. In an excerpt from Night Talk, she chats with her daughter. These nightly visits of Natasha, made before the return of the Count from the club, was one of the favorite pleasures of mother and daughter. For many participants, shooting in the project was the first experience like that. Photographers and the project team tried to create all conditions for the participants to reveal and convey the character and their feelings and emotions. One of the most tragic images were the image of a mother in Gorky's Mother and Requiem by Akhmatova. Nilovna, the image of love, as an incarnation of understanding the purpose and importance of her child's path. Pavel Vlasov's mother continues her son Pavel's revolutionary cause. Pelageya Nilovna has spent her whole life as if she had never lived, but her life takes on meaning. She distributes leaflets to the workers. Her love for her son becomes broader and turns into love for all people. This image symbolizes the motherland. The shooting took place on the stage of the Pushkin State Academic Russian Drama Theatre. In the photograph, Pavel's mother is holding a piece of cloth, the red banner with which her son went out to protest. Soldiers have arrested Pavel and are taking him out of the house.
Это женщина как бы такая хрупкая внутри, и внутри такая одновременно сильная мать. Как бы роль матери во всех произведениях, она разная бывает. Мне предложили эту роль, я с радостью согласилась, вспомнила это произведение спустя 30 лет, и было очень интересно участвовать в этом проекте.
Probably the most difficult was the shooting of The Mother of Man by Zakrutkin. The photos were taken outside when the temperature was already below 20 degrees. The main character was to portray Maria, a woman who overcomes the hardships of life and saves the freezing children. The volunteers of the project were looking for the children clothes of the 40s on their own. The complexity of the shooting was the fact that there were 7 kids of different ages, and they had to compose the image in a short time. Since the theaters were closed at this time, the volunteers picked out the appropriate clothing for the shoot on their own. Mom in the book ended with the foreign literature part. Under extreme conditions, the shooting took place on the book The Moomins by Tove Jansson. Moomin Mama is a calm and focused mother who never lets the little things get on her nerves. She ensures that the Moomin Troll house is always a safe and loving place, as well as for her family and visitors. The picture shows Moomin Troll running to her mother after another adventure. The pictures were taken in a photo studio, and the Moomin's house was made by a co-worker librarian. The hats for the characters were prepared by makeup artist and stylist Natalia Tomskaya. We also attempted to photograph this piece in the woods. It was minus 30 degrees.
На самом деле проект «Мама в книге» тема очень глубокая, так как все складывается характер человека, ну вообще вот доброта матери, да, любовь матери, это все остается в памяти или подсознании ребенка, да, потом это действует по взрослой жизни, и ты не понимаешь, откуда это все, да, но на самом деле ты так действуешь, да, это несешь добро, любовь, да, и поэтому тема очень важная, потому что благодаря матери это ребенок вырастает гармоничным человеком.
The search for a suitable location for the shooting of Cinderella took a long time. We needed a wide staircase that would resemble the entrance to a palace. Cinderella is a favorite fairy tale for kids and adults. The stepmother and, in some way, the fairy godmother become the mother for Cinderella. The two opposing images of the women, the fairy godmother and the stepmother, are shown on the edges of the shot, with Cinderella in the center. The fairy godmother in this picture is as a symbol of light and goodness, helps Cinderella get ready for the ball and find her happiness. The foreign literature part was the most ambitious in costumes and stage props. For the shooting of A Song of Ice and Fire by George Martin, the crown of the king of the Seven Kingdoms was specially made, and there was a long search for costumes. Catelyn Stark and Cersei Lannister are photographed playing a game of chess with their kids on the board. We had to combine 10 characters on one shot to put 8 children on one small chessboard.
Проведена очень большая работа по реализации фотопроекта. Привлечено большое количество людей, и очень надеемся, что эти фотографии смогут привлечь внимание общественности к прочтению художественной литературы и также к проблемам материнства, которые раскрываются на этих фотографиях. Мы надеемся, что наш проект даст начало чему-то новому. Каждый, кто посмотрит эту выставку, ребенок или взрослый, сможет переосмыслить то или иное произведение. И хочется сказать, что литература — это неиссякаемый источник вдохновения. И каждый раз, прочитывая произведение, мы можем найти какие-то новые детали, какие-то подробности, которые раскрывают образ и задумку автора.
The Reading Project drew the attention of children and young people to reading fiction and made them look at the author's idea in a new way. The project resulted in 30 portraits of mothers, which reveal the many sides of mothers and show them in truly candid ways.
Как панда. Хоба.
Вот такие.